This trade lasted 10 minutes. I was done trading at 9:20 a.m. But it wasn't random, it was planned. Let's break down exactly why I went bullish here. So this is PLTR on the 1 minute chart. The green line is the low of yesterday. This other green line is the low of some day back then. The market opened here, came in, touching this low, rejecting in this area here, never gave me a pattern in this area here. So reject here, and then came back again to retest this low and rejecting in this area, forming this flag in this area here and breaking this flag with this full range bar. And the reason I went bullish is because the pattern was formed above the low of some day back then, and bouncing here, touching the low, rejecting, came again to this low, and this time it formed this pattern here, breaking with this full range bar. So the pattern plus the area is important. It's not just because the pattern was formed and breaking, it's the area. You have to combine both. It's the pattern and where the pattern was formed. So the full range bar was formed, breaking this flag here. My entry was here. My target was up here. It got tricked out in this bar, and my stop was down here. So this trade lasted 10 minutes. See, this is a very simple approach, a very simple and basic strategy that I use to catch these moves. I'm a minimalist trader. I only trade one stock. I only use the 1 minute time frame. I don't check any other higher time frames. I only use the 1 minute, and I only take one trade a day, win or loss, walk away. That's it. That's what I do. I simplify everything because then it makes easier for me to just use price action and probably areas with patterns, and to me that's what's been working and that's what's easy. I think simple wins every time. So don't complicate things, make something that's complex, because most people think trading is complex. I think trading is simple. I think we just complicate trading by adding too many things. That's what I think what it is. So that's the trade for today. The trade worked, but what matters most is that the process worked. I knew my entry, I knew my stop, and I accept the outcome before clicking the button. Winning days don't change the plan, they just confirm discipline. Same rules, same approach, next session. And always process over profits and discipline over dopamine. Thanks for watching.